Eliminex here. We're in the Shannock Station, Lebanon border. You can see the bat droppings. This is peak bat season, and I did the full inspection first, make sure I don't see any roosting activity. I'm not even protected. Usually I'll wear a suit when I come in here because I don't want to have any. Sometimes I'll wear a hat, even a bee hat sometimes. So I don't want bats buzzing around and scratch me. So I'm like here without any protection. I'm just wearing a mask. So when I kick things around, I'm not going to be breathing any airborne. So I took the mask off just to make the video. You can see all these. It's a drip edge gap. It's a natural gap. It's throughout the whole perimeter of the center, all colonial. You got like wings on both sides, lower attics, and they seem to have no activity of bats. Just in this big center hall. And we see everything looks like it's in serviceable order. The ridge vents on top and the louvers, it's all capped. So they're definitely getting in through the gaps throughout. And there were a couple companies here before, I was told, that were trying to seal it. They're just using copper mesh and wire, installing wire from the inside. They were doing a really crappy job. They didn't know what they were doing. Charging money for doing nothing really. And then all this stuff is left behind. But it's probably still active. But I can't confirm that there's activity. But so they're calling me for a cleanup service, which we can do. We can clean this all up. We recommended it done anyways. And that way, if there's any new activity, it's only going to be in certain spots, and we can see if there's any more activity, new activity, and then we could do the seal up, after. So it all makes sense. So they can just get this all cleaned up and see if whatever the previous company did is working. If not, then I can give my proposal to do, I can give them a 3-year warranty with the service, but we'll just go with the cleanup first.